Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I don't know how your day typically goes, but my day typically is there's little silly, stupid things that wind up annoying me that I have to fix or repair. And one of those things right now is my patio umbrella. Yesterday we had a bad storm, so I went to roll it down. And as it was coming down, it got stuck, and I'm like, what the heck? So I pulled on it before the rain came, and then I got it down and continued to crank it, and it finally came down. And then today it was a hot day, so I cranked open the umbrella, and then it got stuck. And I noticed as it was going up, as it comes down here, as I'm cranking it, that screw right there is protruding. I don't know if you can see it, but it's getting hung up on that as it goes up or down. So just one stupid little thing you have to do in a day. Just take an Allen key and tighten this up. Sorry, I had to put the camera down. I couldn't do it with one hand, but it's all tightened up now. So as it comes down, it's not getting hung up, it's clearing it, and same thing going up. So that's just a little quick video. If this video helped you out, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See you on the next video.